Welcome back, guys. So this is question number 5 and we have to find the values of the variable that make each product term 1 and each sum term equal to 0. Okay, so what we have to do, if we have three operators a, b and c, so what we have to do, we have to make their sum of them equal to 0, okay, and their product equal to 1. Okay, so that is the scenario here. So in order to do it, let me start writing the first question, and that is ABC. So we can see that we have to write the values of A, B and C, which will make them equal to what? Equal to 1. So that is the product. So now let me first draw a line here. So let me draw a line here. So now using this white color for it, and here the question number A is ABC, and that is basically the multiplication. Okay, so for multiplication, we can see here that for multiplication we have to make it in such a way that it should give me 1. So what should be the value of A? Is here the value of A should be 1, the value of B should be 1, and C here as well 1. Okay, so here it will give me what? It will give me 1 1 1, and the expression here will also remain ABC. Similarly, in part B here we have A plus B plus C. Okay, so I want to make it 0. So if 0 0 0, if three of them is zeros, the output of it will give me what? The output of it will be 0 here as well. So again, let me draw the lines here as well. So part C here is, that is part C, and part C is A prime, B prime and C, and in order to make it make this expression equal to what? This expression should give me 1, because all the operations here are the multiplication, so it should be 0 0 1 here. Okay, similarly for D here we have D A prime plus B prime plus C. So what should be here? So in order to make it 0, what I should have here, A should be 1, B should be 1, okay, and C should be what? C should be 0 as well. So here this one is what? This is the question number D. Now let me move down further and now solving this question E here. So E is what? A plus B prime plus C prime, and that is the plus operation or the summation operation. What we have to do, we have to make it equal to 0. So this A should be 0, this should be 1, and this should be 1. And for the last part here, that is part F, and part F we have A prime plus B prime plus C prime. Okay, so in order to make it what? This is the plus operation here as well, and for plus operation we have to make them all equal to 0. So therefore I have to give all of them equal to 1 1. Okay, so the expressions here will remain the same as that of it, this and this as well. Basically this column is not required here, but I have used this column for the convenience that the input and output expressions will remain the same, but only the values of the operators will change here. Okay, so that is the answer of my question, in which we have solved the question number 5, and we have seen that what are the values of the operators which should give me the required results for the addition and the multiplication. So thank you so much, and I will see you with some more questions in our upcoming video.